With MSD's Atomic Transmission Control Module, you can easily set up and program any of Ford or GM's popular electronically controlled 4-speed automatic transmissions. You can take advantage of all the adjustable parameters such as the shift points, torque converter clutch behavior, shift firmness, and more through the convenience of the supplied handheld monitor. That's right, no computer or complicated software to install. The micro SD port is used to update the Atomic TCM. The standalone Atomic Transmission Controller is complemented with a harness kit to match your application. Harness kits are available for most GM and Ford 4-speed automatics, allowing for plug-and-play operation. Once connected, you'll be able to easily modify the operating parameters of your transmission. The handheld monitor connects to the Atomic Transmission Controller and can be left in place as a dashboard to monitor the transmission in real time or disconnect once the configuration is complete. Once installed and connected, you need to only specify a few basic parameters that are listed in the initial setup. The first thing you'll do is select the type of transmission you're using from the drop-down menu. All supported transmission types are listed in the menu. Other required fields under initial setup include the number of engine cylinders, rear-end gear ratio, tire height, and even transfer case ratio if applicable. Once the initial setup has been completed, you can start and drive the vehicle while taking advantage of the advanced setup menu items to dial in the transmission to your liking. From the advanced setup menu, you can control shift points and characteristics like the shift feel and torque converter clutch operation. There are also options allowing adjustment of the desired wide open throttle shifting, vehicle speed sensor configuration, and more. You can feel the results in real time as the passenger manipulates the parameters and monitors real-time operational data on the handheld monitor. Data available for viewing includes engine speed, vehicle speed, throttle position, transmission fluid temperature, shifter position, command gear, and more. Take your driving into the modern age with MSD's standalone Atomic Transmission Controller. Using the correct adapter harness, MSD's Atomic TCM will plug directly into the factory connectors on these Ford and GM transmissions. Thanks for watching. For more information on MSD products, visit our website at msdperformance.com.